di yenye say the national policy parties nipa NDC no abe my manifesto MPP manifesto. We don't have Ghana manifesto, and as much as possible they be say constitution na ye di adwuma no say constitution we na ye de papa bob radia NC ye da MPP e won flaws. I agree, but Oshima one policy a MPP dia ba say ye imprinting in our constitution e one district one factory.
The Ghana for better be am kame ni si aban bi ani na Kwame Nkrumah mpanifo na ka kire wa eduma obi e kura enuru tenu abrofo na aye ana obi bi se be nine opa ni ntwa tro wo awurade din mu da aban bi ani ho a waye adwuma ana waje factories ana waye adwuma se kufu adoda
Kwame Nkrumah Ghana mesumi ya Ghana ni it is esa koka se bia since independence ye kufu ado na waye adwuma pa bia sa Kwame Nkrumah no no de ba mu aye hwade we hwa ogina podium so na wo crowd a wo ye etse ne wo Kumasi no in all this crisis you'll be forced to say things that are not even true. I Xposed GHF from Bamboo, so share more be no be so share now on the Sunyabi. As fit last week, yen him MPP, Jumadium Kodi Kumasi, or 2-4, what's a proposal and what's a big out or 2 neba. F4. Napo, I a fan as what the vice president elect. No, you know, yes, and the 40 is not 2 bomb, Cassia pa. What's a share? Mosa Kwame Nkrumah. Near your Rekufuadwayan, a bro and no person. Now, no, go for varied views about it. No way, cannot wait. Now, yen enemy, ya papa ejako say or ye MPP stanch supporter, because stanch obi or GMPPD. And no go interview no. Ni ekotie asema ejako kan na ewia mebo maji achiro.
The Ghana for better be am kame ni si aban bi ani ho. Na Kwame Nkrumah mpanifo na ka kire wa eduma obi e kura enuru tenu. Abrofo na aye. Ana obi bi se be nine. Opa ni ntwa tro wo awurade din mu da aban bi ani ho a waye adwuma ana waje factories ana waye adwuma se kufu adoda. Ese kufu anyehwe. Kufu anye bi. Na make it obi abeye ne de but aban bi ani ho. Aban bi ani ho. Kufu anye ne de. Kufu ne bibie mu ma yehu se kabi mami nkabi no se ye de hyase afiri Rollins. On ma kwan ma kufu so mu. Atanos by former president John Dramani by and a kufu adwaba medi nchire kakra enyenyenye kura me boban mininem wura mininem baabi am ko wura baabi na de kufu adwa yesi ha na mahu se eteni na communicators ni na edu o man na bro because sa na ma we nyina mu ntimi mpa ho dawur mpa ho ntoma emani pa hu ne ehihye wura mu kwaku jai amesi aban bi ani ho de Ghana fo beka bi am kame nesi aban bi ani ho.
God have mercy upon us.
So I could have video no very interested. Share on him. To me will view different view about your papa Kwame Nkrumah. Yes, me very different view. But because another yeah, and for say Papa Kwame Nkrumah or yes, there be maybe someone say those times how much was the population of Ghana? About 6 million. Yeah, Sika British and the jar ye Kwame Nkrumah or the Yemen so Ghana would have changed dramatically. I'm telling you. And then Yajako Kano. Is it right or wrong? Factories are ye Papa Kwame Nkrumah ye I'm not 10. That is the fact. It might be major factories and a major monument, but I'm not 10. MPP I want the flaws. I agree. But Oshima, one policy a MPP dia ba say ye imprinting in our constitution. One district, one factory. Only me be. Ye free be rural urban migration. Say obi fi crossing waba ekrom. Ewo ho. Rural urban migration. Na de bia me say adwuma wo me krom a would I even care say me ba Accra na there be. It's not one district, one factory, no. Say identify say ahano ekutuo na mudua na nka besi ekutuo factory. E say ekutuo factory wi a na fe afa membu no mo ho no na omo de adwuma me nka say policy no good sir, but the policy is good, but implementation na kakra. But me there bibia wo mu aye better. Enti enne na policy na entimi anye yi a ese de share constitution mu say abai bi obeba no follow that blueprint. Ghana ade edi yenye ne say ye ni national policy. Parties ni ba NDC no abai my manifesto, MPP manifesto. We don't have Ghana manifesto. And as much as possible, they be a say constitution na ye de adwuma no. Say constitution we na ye de papa bob radia NC ye da. Me na make catch. It is as much as possible. Yeah, say pity and echo. Things like free SHS, a very good policy. You Kufuor no de buy. One district, one factory, a very good policy. And also the buy. And na ye Pualugu Dam no one north no. Na it be feeding the whole of northern region. Ye we are Ghana be di. Mimi the Ebra, ye run up. Send your cancer Sam or Kwame Kuman and no one can ye. Because Sabe, Kwame Nkrumah Ghana ni. Mesumi Ghana ni it is as akoka say ebia since independence ye Kufuor na waye adwuma pa baby asa Kwame Nkrumah no de ba mu ba ye hwade we hwe ugina podium so na who crowd da who ye etese ne who okumase no in all this crisis you'll be forced to say things that are not even true. Me dey me pardon ye papa you know napo because they be make say ye pobia oka asem se ne tia ye ranapo. You might not like him, but when meeting one on one, no one will send your tear and the way oka na asem you will like him. If you say o we chira eso se ne chire o ba nipa ne so eso se ne chire enti mimi mo bia asem no kan no as much as the way oka ne nye no the substance and asem no kan ne de mimi de me ne adwen minimu so I expose you chefa me bamboos. Who subscribe, no be sunya bi. Who sham na from me? I'm out.